This video is going to take you through to the next chapter, which is Unit 1, Chapter 3, Productivity Apps, Google Sheets, and Forms. I've taken you to the modules link here on the left so that you can see all the modules in the course. And you can see that we have completed Unit 1, Chapter 1 because it has that green check mark. And then we had just finished Unit 1, Chapter 2 on Google Slides. Those are green check mark. But we are now working on Unit 1, Chapter 3, Google Sheets and Forms. I'm going to go ahead and open that module, and you can see that I have to start with the chapter overview. So I'm going to take you through the chapter overview, and we're going to go through Lesson 1. Remember, you have to complete each item in order. You cannot skip around. So here's the chapter overview. You're going to learn about Google Sheets and Google Forms and how we collect data and how we analyze that data. And there are some learning goals that you need to read through. And then here's a to-do list for the entire chapter. And these are now broken up into lessons as we go through this. So we're going to go ahead and click Next, and we're going to start you off with, this is Unit 1, Chapter 3, Lesson 1. So 1.3.1, Unit, Chapter, Lesson. So this is getting started with spreadsheets. Here's your overview, learning goals, and your to-do list. So make sure you follow the to-do list as you complete this lesson. You have some videos to watch, you need to submit an assignment, and then there's an assessment that's actually at the end of Lesson 2. So we're going to click Next. And this will be where the walkthrough video that you're watching now, that's where that's located. Then just like we've used before, GCF Learn Free, so I don't think I need to go through this. You guys should know by now that you need to scroll through here, or you can open up the actual website by clicking this link. Make sure you watch the video, write down any vocabulary terms and definitions you're not familiar with. When you're done reading through there, because everything in this area here is going to help you with your assignment. It directly relates to that assignment you're going to be doing. So when you're done with that, then click Next. And here's just an interface diagram showing you what Google Sheets, the different parts of Google Sheets, so make sure you read through there. And here's another lesson, GCF Learn Free. You know how to go through this and do this, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Next. Make sure you go through this lesson because it's very important for your assignment. You can always go back to those lessons for help. So just like we've done before, we want to make these copies of the directions. Okay, so this is the directions. And there's my directions. And then here's the template. Because this is a practice assignment, you're going to click Template and you're going to make a copy of that template. The template's set up for you. You're going to modify it. Okay, so this is called Frontier Kids Cookie Cells. So you're going to modify this spreadsheet. So just come back to the directions and follow that. You've already done number 1, so follow number 2, number 3, number 4, and just keep following every direction until your final spreadsheet looks like this. Okay? And then you can submit it. So we can give you an idea of what it should look like at the end. So instead of like Jane Doe, it would be your name there, a fake address, etc. Okay? So follow these directions. And you're going to be using this template. You're just going to be editing it. Then you'd go back to here, and remember, click Start Assignment. And probably the easiest way again to submit this is click Share, and anyone with a link, copy that link, done, and go back to Canvas. You see I got 3 tabs, and I can either do a text entry, website URL to submit that link, or if I want, I could go File, Download as a Microsoft Excel document. Do not submit a PDF. That is not acceptable. You must submit either the Google Sheet or you can submit the Excel document. So I downloaded that Excel document, and so if I wanted to upload that, I would click Upload, choose File, go find that download that I just right here, there it is, and click Open, and then Submit Assignment. So you can only submit a Google Sheet or an Excel document. This is a spreadsheet. PDFs are not acceptable, or screenshots are not acceptable. When you're done with that assignment, click Next, and now we're on to Lesson 2.